about this King of Pentacles. You could be fighting with someone. What's the King of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and the Lovers? Three of Wands. So someone can see this balance coming in here, or someone's trying to cause some sort of confrontation, or there is a confrontation, or this balance is being worked out with this King of Cups and the Lovers, or somebody wants this. What's the High Priestess? Somebody could be hiding this energy. This could be a Scorpio, or somebody's protected from something. Five of Swords. What is this conflict here? It's a star energy. There could be competition going on here. There's an earth sign and a water